Hi, second grade. This is your spelling test. Remember to type your first and last name at the top of this test. Remember, you can pause the video if you need more time spelling a word and play the video when you're ready for the next word. Remember to type all your words using lowercase letters and to type the correct word next to the correct number. Let's begin. Number 1. Own. I own a blue bike. Own. Number 2. Most. I like most kinds of fruit. Most. Number 3. Soap. Wash your hands with soap. Soap. Number 4. Float. I like to float on my raft. Float. Number 5. Both. Both girls like to dance. Both. Number 6. No. Do you know the answer? No. Number 7. Loan. He gave me a loan of $1. Loan. Number 8. Goat. The goat lives on a farm. Goat. Number 9. Flow. Water will flow downhill. Flow. Number 10. Loaf. Tom baked a loaf of bread. Loaf. Number 11. Throw. Throw the ball over here. Throw. Number 12. Roast. Dad will roast yams. Roast. Number 13. Free. A bird flew free from its cage. Free. Number 14. Speak. May I speak to your mom? Speak. Number 15. Sneeze. A cold can make you sneeze. Sneeze. Number 16. Prize. He won first prize. Prize. Number 17. Swallow. Chew and then swallow. Swallow. Number 18. Ocean. The ocean is salty. Ocean.